Hi guys! Hello! Okay, well, we are making a jerking video here for Melina. Ow. Okay.
Hit me. She gave you a kiss. What do I get from you?
What was I gonna say again? Oh yeah. So our name was Dope Kids, but then
Kobe, Brian, Nathan.
stole it from us.
Rude.
So now we're the Dorks.
The dork.
The sexy one too.
Oh yeah.
Alright, since you guys stole our name,
Sure.
we're gonna steal your song.
Sorry, J9.
Losers.
Can I hit that, get that, run that, and lick that? Since you say you a dime, can I flip that? Top model diva, let her meet Mama Sita. Girl so hot, she give a nigga a fever. Fuck yeah, I think I need her. Usually I do it in booty, but I'm a keeper. So many hoes I can rent and lease them. I'm snapping niggas bitches like a street sweeper. And then I holla at Ace, you can have the big hoes, bring the models my way. My taste buds telling me models is my taste. Her ass just right and she slim in the waist. Nigga, how she walk, it made me wanna stalk. I never paid for it, but I'm buying when she wants a shake bag. I just tryna have it. Grab bad booty, I'ma grab it. Shit, bad bitch. Yeah, you know I got have it. And I'm doing everything it takes. Like, fuck it, I'ma get it somehow one day. She got a Gucci bag with her Gucci glasses, her Gucci pumps, Gucci fresh out the
Okay, bye guys.
glass.
It was fun making fun of you guys.
Yeah.
We love you.
I laugh so much.
We love you so much. Bye.